It's been a while we analyzed jump indexes. So here in today's video, I would want us to have a market analysis on jump 10 index price action basically, and we'll be analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. We're looking out for possible trade opportunities on this index. Right, you all know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, I start from a higher time frame. This higher time frame can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, and it can be the monthly time frame. So here I would want us to start from the weekly time frame, analyzing this index. Analyzing from a higher time frame would give you an advantage in the market because you'll be able to see the bigger picture of the market, be able to have a clearer view and identify the key levels and zones on the market. So on the weekly time frame of this index, you can see that this index has been on a downtrend basically for a very long time now. This index has been trading to the downside, creating lower highs and lower lows. So we identify the market's trend, right? So our trend support at this zone and our trend resistance. So you guys know that on trend line is our support level and our resistance level. So this is our trend resistance here. This is our trend resistance and this is our trend support. So this trend line that we identify right now, you can see that there was a break of trend at this zone, right? Price broke out of this downtrend here before price pushed back to the downside to come test these lows at this zone, right? So let's identify our levels basically. So we have this level as a level of support and this level as a level of resistance, this level as a level of support, now turned resistance because price broke below it and market is trading below it as well. So you can see how price has reacted after a break of this downtrend. Price pushed to the downside to come test this support level, gave the buy move to the upside. So what do we expect of this index? And we have this resistance level at which price is trading below, right? So if in any way we have to get price move to the upside, we're going to see price react on this identified zone, this level of resistance. So the weekly time frame is looking clear. There's a break of trend. Market is buying from a level of support. So the daily time frame, how is it looking? The time frame is not looking bad because you can see clearly the market is kind of consolidating here, creating equal highs and equal lows inside of this range. And inside this consolidation, we have an intermediate level, right? We have this level which we can see that price sold from this level as a resistance at this zone. Resistance here, resistance, and we got price performance as support, resistance, right? So market is reacting on this level basically. Price has failed to give a clear break of this zone, though we got price give a move out of this level here, right? Price broke out of this level, gave a retest on it, but failed to continue its bullish move to the upside, but instead price broke to the downside and is reacting on this level right now. And when we watch closely, we can see that market is creating a reversal pattern formation, a head and shoulders pattern at this point on the daily time frame. This means that we're likely to see the sellers take charge of these markets in the coming days and weeks. We could see price sell to the downside to come test this level of support. All right, let's identify it properly. Let's mark it up. We could see price sell to this zone to come test this level in the coming days and weeks. So how do we take advantage of this sell opportunity? How do we get into this trade? So we can see that we're already getting the bearish structure in place on the 4-hour time frame. We're getting price create this lower heights formation. The first high at this zone, the first high at this point. Let's mark it up. First high is here, second high is at this zone, a lower high, another high here, a lower high. So these three lower highs price has formed. So we expect price to create on that lower high for the sell continuation to the downside. So I'm bearish basically on this index, looking at the market structure on the 4-hour time frame and on the daily time frame and on the higher time frame as well. You can see that the bears are trying to take charge of this market. They are giving those formations, those price action formations that indicates that they're coming to the market, right? So the 4-hour time frame is looking clear. A little confirmations at that point will be shorting this index, right? So let's mark out this level to look out for possible reaction on this zone because we got these lows broken. This was a low, this is a lower low that got broken. We got the first low at this point. Let's mark it up as well. Everything is looking bearish on this index. The first low at that point, second low here, right? Third low at this zone, and the fourth low at this point. So you can see the market structure. You can see that price is retesting this broken low. This was a level of support that got broken, now turned resistance. So if you can watch closely on market price action, at this point to be shorting jump 10 index from this zone to the downside, right? This is a nice sell opportunity, a nice sell setup. So my entry point would be at this level. We have this level as a key level on the lower time frame, the 50-minute time frame. You can see our price so just a resistance, support at this point, resistance, support. So if price can break below this level, a move of this kind, my entry point would be at this zone. If price can give a move of this kind, break below this level, give a retest on it, break retest, then I'll be shorting jump 10 index, right? I'm looking out for my sales on this index in the coming hours and minutes. So that's my view and analysis on jump 10 index price action. Basically, I was able to analyze from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame like the 15-minute time frame to spot my entry points and my entry level, right? So hit the like button for more market analysis list and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging in my videos. See you in a lot, guys. Let's do more on double equity.